Hey everyone! Ever had your trusty Xiaomi 2C robot vacuum turn on, but then get stuck halfway through cleaning? It's pretty frustrating, isn't it? Don't worry, we'll handle it. You're in good hands. Check out how we solved a similar problem and you might just find the fix you're looking for. So, we got our hands on this Xiaomi 2C robot vacuum from a customer who said it just wouldn't stop getting stuck mid-cleaning. They asked us to take a look and fix it. When we fired up the robot vacuum for a test run, it started off fine, wheels spinning, brushes whirring, but then, out of nowhere, it stopped and got stuck. And the weirdest part, it kept running, but wouldn't move. We thought it might be a minor hiccup, so we took it apart to see what was up. And OMG, check this out. When we opened it up, we found water. Yes, water. It was like a mini water park inside. The robot vacuum had been soaked or splashed, and it was clear that water was having a party where it shouldn't be. After a deep dive, we discovered that the water damage had caused serious issues. Not only was there a water mess, but the right wheel was also faulty. No wonder this robot vacuum was acting all wet and wobbly. So, we recommended an internal service to remove all that water residue and a new wheel to get things rolling smoothly again. Once we had the green light from the customer, we got to work. We cleaned out all the water, replaced the faulty wheel, and did some thorough testing. And voila! No more random stops, no more watery mess. Just a robot vacuum that's ready to conquer dirt and dust like a pro. After we returned the robot vacuum to the customer, they were thrilled to see it working again with maximum performance. So, what's the deal with your robot vacuum? Contact us today, and let's get your robot vacuum back to its prime performance.